Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing stilettos. Okay guys, today I am doing stiletto nails. Yes, and if you have watched my channel for a while, you know I am obsessed with coffin shaped nails or the taper square look. But today I'm doing stilettos, and I normally use Max Estrada's nail forms, but when I am doing stiletto or ballerina, I use these forms. I forgot what they're called, but I call them butterfly forms. I will link them below. You can get them from Amazon. But this is how I do it, and you want to start off by prepping the nail. And in this video I'm going to show you one nail, and then I speed past the rest of the nails. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is how I sculpt stiletto. Sorry, can't talk today. This is how I sculpt stiletto nails.
Keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new.
Quick tip, when you guys want to achieve that crystal clear look, when using clear acrylic, when adding the apex bead, make sure that bead is slightly wetter than the other ones so that it can prevent air bubbles and it won't look foggy at the end result.
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm.
When filing stiletto nails, it's not much different from filing coffin-shaped nails. You still want your side walls to be flush with the natural nail bed. The only difference is that you're shaping it to a point, but you still want the sides of your stilettos to be parallel to that nail bed. You do not want your stilettos to start creeping upwards.
You're making it brighter right through the gray.
text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
I'm using Madam Glam's base coat, but I wanted to stop and show you what it looks like if you just wanted it to be clear. Please ignore my polishing in this video. I was a hot mess today. It was lint everywhere. I was dropping things. I just couldn't get my life together by the end of this video, but I wanted to put this out there for you guys because I haven't put any art drawing on my channel in a while, so hope you guys enjoy.
I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. Why do I make things Everything's complicated.
One of the first steps that I do when drawing a character is I pinpoint what section in the photo that I am doing is the most important part or the biggest part, and I sketch that out first. I outline it and make sure that I like it, and then I fill it in. I typically fill in the section slightly smaller so that I can expand if I needed to, because to me, I feel like trying to take away some things is a little bit more difficult than just expanding it a little bit. And once you are satisfied, make sure that you nuke it in the light for about 10 seconds just so that it doesn't go anywhere. And here for her shirt, I'm going to do the exact same thing.
This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start, yeah.
If you guys haven't guessed already, I am doing Patty Mayonnaise, and I probably should put up a reference photo, so here you go. That's Patty Mayonnaise. And now I'm doing the polka dots, and next is details in the face.
I'm slipping down, this is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me.
I spoke too soon. It's hair time. Okay, so with yellow and all pigmented polishes, make sure that you cure in a full curing time, because I'm mad because I did not do that today because I was rushing, and like I said, I was just struggling all day. It's like today I got on the struggle bus and did not cure it fully, and you're gonna see what happened later on.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that.
So yes, as you can see that the polish buckled right there. It happens to yellow almost all the time with me, red and deep blues and greens sometimes. But here I'm just going to use crystals from Blue Street Crystals. I also have a one-time code for them as well, but I am using these crystals to, I wanted to originally put it on the pinky and the thumb, but I am putting it on her hair to cover up my mistake, and I think it still came out really cute. I also am using base and glue to put these stones on. I didn't want it to stay for too long, but I wanted to test out Madam Glam's base.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you.
And here it is, it's Patty Mayonnaise. I am so in love with 90s Nickelodeon cartoon, you can't even understand. If you guys didn't check out my latest video on me swatching my Madam Glam and Young Nails products, I will put them in the cards above. Please don't forget that I do have a Madam Glam's 30% off coupon code for you guys. They were kind enough to give me a code for my followers. Please check them out. The products is amazing. You will not be disappointed. I hope you guys enjoyed me doing this in a different shape. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay safe. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.